Hello, USRNs. Here are 5 signs you are going to pass the NCLEX based on my experience. Number 1, you feel ready to take the NCLEX. I prepared for the NCLEX for a month, guys. And I told myself, I am going to feel ready and confident to take the NCLEX when I hit 2 targets. The first target is to finish all the question banks, including the case studies. And number 2, to hit 60% minimum passing rate. So I made a promise to myself that I'm going to hit those 2 targets in order for me to feel ready for the NCLEX. And thankfully, guys, after a whole month of study, I was able to answer everything. I was able to answer all the question banks, and I hit 61% of the passing rate. And so hitting those targets, guys, it made me really confident in myself that I am ready to take the NCLEX. And I was excited and happy to take it because I feel ready. So the lesson here, guys, you need to hit a goal. In order for you to feel ready, you have to hit the goal for yourself. Like what I stated above, you can use that as your goal as well. You need to finish all your question banks and you need to hit at least the passing rate for the review. Number 2 sign, guys, I was doubting myself all the time. Did I feel any anxiety? Yes. Was I doubting myself the whole time? Absolutely. I was very anxious, guys, during the process of review. But I always keep in my head, guys, remember, doubt, anxiety, joy, excitement, sadness, fear, they all can coexist in our mind. And just because you feel anxious and doubtful of yourself, it's not a bad sign that you are going to fail. Anxiety is just a reminder that you want this so bad. You are anxious, you are doubtful because you want to pass the NCLEX. So stop beating yourself up and don't take doubt as a sign that you're failing. You have to shift your mindset and embrace the anxiety, the doubt, and also the excitement that you are going to take the NCLEX. It's part of the process, guys. Number 3 sign, when the questions become harder. Many people warned me that the first 15 questions in the NCLEX is going to be hard, would be really difficult. But to be honest, guys, during my experience, it really wasn't. I know I sound really arrogant right now. But maybe because I encountered most of them during my review. I encountered OB, pediatrics, statin drugs, infection control questions in the first 15. But as it progressed, the questions became more vague and more challenging. It became harder. And I also encountered a lot of case studies. So guys, during the exam, remember, if the questions become harder, if the case studies become more challenging, it means you are on the right path. You are going to pass the NCLEX. Okay? So keep that in mind. Goes harder, it means you are in the right path. Number 4 sign, guys, you didn't stop at 85 questions. I didn't stop. In my previous video, I shared that my computer shut down at around 139 questions. And I'm not going to lie, guys, during that time, I felt a bit disappointed in myself that I didn't stop at 85 questions because I wanted to stop at 85. I've always wanted, for bragging rights. Well, I didn't stop at 85, but I still passed. And so don't lose hope, guys. Aim for 150. That's the best advice I could give to you right now. Aim for 150. Aim to finish all the question banks in the actual NCLEX so that you can build the stamina to finish all the questions. Okay? Stopping at 85 does not guarantee you passing as well. And the 5th and final sign, you will feel at peace afterwards. When my computer shut off at around 139 question, guys, all I felt was a sense of relief and peace. I was just really happy at that time. Finally, it's over. I felt incredibly at peace because I knew in my heart I was confident. I did all my best. I did everything I could in my power during those 1 month of studying. So I went home immediately, took a nap because I was really exhausted, guys. I lasted for about 4 hours inside the testing center. And I woke up at around 6 p.m. and I saw this beautiful sunset. I forgot to take a photo, actually. My bad. But I looked at it for 5 minutes and I was like, my God, this is so beautiful. And I know in my heart that was my sign that I passed. That was a very beautiful and private moment for me as well. It was like the heaven was speaking to me like, you made it, honey. You did all your best and it paid off. And 4 days later, it was indeed, I passed in my first try. The journey towards your USRN license, guys, is not easy. It can be really challenging. But with the right mindset and with smart effort, you are going to make it. I hope this video inspired you today. I hope this video inspired you to believe in yourself and to embrace all your doubts and anxiety. And no matter how you feel about yourself, as long as you hit all the targets that you need, you are going to pass the NCLEX. I hope this helps. See you in my next videos.